Hello and thank you for watching Socal Real Estate TV, a place where you can find ideas and information to help you accomplish your real estate goals, with your host Adrian Cafuentes with Prudential Realty. If you're in the middle of a loan modification, or you're in the middle of a short sale, or you're thinking of doing either, possibly a modification, loan modification, or even a short sale because you're struggling with your mortgage, and your lender is Chase, let me tell you about a new opportunity that's coming about. This is literally happening within 2 weeks from now. I mean, in the past couple of weeks, they're starting to release this new program if your mortgage is underwater. And here in California, 1 out of 3 mortgages are pretty much underwater, meaning that there's no equity on the property. What Chase is doing, and I'll read a little bit from a letter one of our clients got. And it's a mortgage, obviously a mortgage that's also underwater and has no equity. But if you're considering on doing either or, modification or short sale, what they're rolling out is that if you decide to skip the loan modification process and go direct into a short sale, putting your home on the market and getting a buyer for it and getting short sale approval directly from the bank, they are willing to pay you $20,000 in relocation fees after the transaction closes. Not to mention, they're willing to waive all deficiency rights and deficiency judgments, so would basically show on your record as paid in full, meaning that you won't even have to worry about this mortgage in the future. Not to mention, if you combine that with the government program, the Mortgage Relief Act, then you don't even have to pay any taxes on the difference either, or as well, because they 1099 you on the difference. So this is a great program that Chase is starting to roll out. If you're with another bank, like maybe Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Wachovia, City Mortgage, any other lender like that, they don't have programs like the one Chase does. And I'm assuming they're going to start rolling them out as soon as they hear what Chase is doing with their clients. So if you're with the other banks and you're still in the middle of a loan modification, you could potentially still qualify for some cash back if you do a short sale under a different program. It just wouldn't be as much as Chase. So if you're out there and you have Chase as your lender and as your mortgage provider, give me a call to see if you could potentially qualify to get these $20,000. Not to mention the fact that they just recently passed a new guideline which allows you to purchase a home within 18 months from your short sale. So it looks as though we're going to be in a declining market this year in 2011. All the indications show us that there's not going to be a lot of movement and a lot of pressure on prices upward, even though we're seeing a lot of investors coming out and picking up properties, remodeling them, and then putting them on the market. We still see some pressure of inventory coming in the later months of the year, which is why I think Chase is starting to do stuff like this, to start incentivizing people to be able to put them on the market and clear these negative mortgages and clear out the market and jumpstart people into purchasing again 18 months from whenever the sale is. So if you have Chase and you're interested in possibly getting $20,000 from your bank in relocation money that you can use towards either to relocate, or you can just save it and hold on to it for 18 months so you can buy again, give me a call and I'll let you know more about this program. I'm starting to roll out now, and like I said, I'm going to assume that other banks are going to go right with it as well. That's usually the trend that we see, and that's usually what happens, is when somebody puts out a new program, everybody else follows. So we're very excited about that, because now not only do you get to get rid of a negative mortgage on your behalf and on your credit, not only do you get to fix your credit and clean it within 18 months, and that's another one, not only do you get to buy in 18 months, but now you could potentially get relocation money from Chase. And if you're not banking with Chase, you're banking with somebody else, meaning that your mortgage is with somebody else, you can still potentially qualify for some money back from your lender. Give me a call, we can sit down and discuss how the option of a short sale may work for you. It may or may not work for you. I'm not sure if you're in the middle of a modification, or if you're dealing with an attorney, or what your situation may be. But together, I think we can empower you with information that can help you to make the right decision of what to do with your mortgage. So if you have any questions, my information is at the end of this blog. Thank you guys for watching so much. And I appreciate you guys following my blog and allowing me to send it out to you guys via email. And if you have any questions, like I said, my info is at the end of the blog. Find me, call me, email me, whatever. Just get a hold of me, and I'd love to sit with you guys and discuss your options, all right? See you guys next time.